What's going on, guys? Corey here with Airbender FPV. Today we're taking the Mobula8 out for its maiden voyage, and I'm excited about this one. I got it set up in beta flight and it honestly went really well. I did tweak the rates compared to my Air 65. I did tone it down just a little bit, being that this is going to be the maiden voyage. And hopefully that'll do it some justice to make it really smooth. All I've done with this thing is armed it. I hadn't taken off at all, so this will be my first real flight, and we're gonna see how it handles, how smooth it is, how the power's delivered, and see if this thing is good for a newbie that wanna pick it up. Okay, let's go get in the sky. Guys, the maiden voyage with the Mobula8 is officially done. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm in love with this thing. Right from takeoff, it felt very smooth. And honestly, it felt like I had been flying it forever. The flips, the rolls felt very controlled. Throttle input was spot on. And I could fly at a much lower throttle than my 1S whoops while having plenty of power if I needed it. The race that I set up felt really good, and overall this drone gave me confidence right away. I'm really glad I picked up this one. So yeah, the Mobula8 is definitely gonna be one of those drones that I think is gonna be good for beginners, and it's officially Airbender FPV approved. You guys will definitely be seeing more flights with this one on the channel. Drop a comment below and let me know what you guys think about the Mobula8. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the flight, and subscribe if you're into beginner FPV, and learn this stuff together. I'm Corey with Airbender FPV. Learn to bend and win one flight at a time.